Hey everybody, so in this video, real quick, Will here from PPC Coach. I'm going to teach you how to use my template files. So here's the ones from September. These are like, I'll make this a little bit bigger so you can see these. But we're going to edit these using some free software. So this one says, happy birthday, all the best on your big day. Here's to many more. Then we got another one, happy birthday, all the best. So I put the same text, but these are basically two shine on. Then we got a gear bubble one, another gear bubble, and then a round one, and then we got message cards as well. But I'm going to show you how to edit this one. So what you want to do is just move that to the side. So once you've unzipped your file, you've got all those in there. You can see you've got those, okay, and message cards as well with all the fonts. So we're going to go back into necklaces, and we're going to go to number 2 here, and then you go to the free version of like Photoshop. It's called Photopea. So go here, and then all you're going to do is File, Open, and you're going to select your files right here. So I want to edit this one. The PSD file is the one that I want to edit. So I'm going to double click that, and there we go. Now I've got this ready to go. It is formatted to fit, and you can see these fonts are loading automatically, and those are the fonts that come in your file too. So all these fonts automatically loaded into Photopea. So it basically searched your computer when you open Photopea for those fonts. So now I can edit these. So here on the right hand side, see where it says happy, and then it says birthday, and then all the best on your big day. Here's to many more. We could do stuff, a lot of different stuff. So if we really want to, we can turn the background layer on. So that's how the outline for Shine On, right? That's where we have to make sure all of our stuff is inside there. So I'll just turn that on for a minute. But let's say we want to turn off anything. Say I don't want this heart right here. Well, I could turn it off. Or say I don't want, I don't know, this balloon thing. Well, I could turn that off too if I really wanted. I could put my own item in there. So you can edit everything on there. So this one says happy birthday, all the best on your big day. Here's to many more. So maybe I want to say happy birthday. So I want to change all the best on your big day. Here's to many more to something else. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click the text tool. I'm just going to highlight this. And in here, I'm going to say, happy birthday. You don't look. I'll go down here. A day over 75. And then maybe I'll center that a bit. I'll put it, yeah, I'll go like that. Let's see if I can move that over a bit. So, and then I can click the move tool up here, and then I can drag and drop this too. So I can make it smaller, bigger, whatever I want to do. That, and then I could put, instead of many more, I could click on many, and I can put, just double click it. Love ya, and then I click the move tool here, and I can make this smaller if I want. And then maybe instead of more, I can say like a happy face. Or whatever I want to do. Love ya. I don't know. Do that. I'm just winging the quote off the top of my head, but do that. There. Happy birthday. You don't look a day over 75 to me. Love ya. LOL. So now I have that ready to go. So what I want to do is turn off this one on the right. I want to turn that off, and I want to go File, Save as PSD first. So I'll go File, Save as PSD, and then it loads right down here in the bottom left. So this goes to your download folder. Okay. And then I want to go File, Export as PNG. So now I've got my PNG ready, and I can save it. So it's going to be 2000 by 1959, which is fine. Save. So it's right here. So now I've got these two folders, these two files in my download folder, and I can take them, the PNG file, and I can upload that to Shine On in this case. the PSD is also saved, so I have a copy of it, and I can come back later and I can edit this whenever I want. So what you want to do is find a whole bunch of quotes that you can put in here so that you can just swap out this part and this part and this part with whatever custom you want. You could also switch out this graphic if you didn't like it. You could find one that maybe you want to do. So let's switch that out real quick. So say I like this, you don't look a day over 75 to me. So I go, boom, remove that. And then maybe I'll go to a site like, I don't know, that has free graphics. I'll go to Pixels and I'll go birthday heart instead. Let's see what comes up. And let's go to photos. So we got photos, we got everything. Or I can go to Pixabay, maybe, see if there's anything here. Pixie, no, Pixa. Sorry, spelled that wrong. Pixabay. There we go. And here I'll go birthday. Oh, if I can spell it right. Birthday heart. Heart. Man, heart. There we go. And I could go here and I could go under images. I go to vector graphics instead. And then I can look at what's in here. See if I find a nice birthday heart that I like. Not really too much in here. Or I could just go birthday in general. See what comes up. And then again, I can go to vector graphics. And maybe I want to use, oh man, I don't know. What do we want to use? Any one of these? Maybe we want these balloons instead. So let's click them. Let's download them. We only need a small one, so we'll download those. Then it goes to the bottom left here, so I'll go show in folder. And now I can go back to here, and I don't know if I can drag and drop. Yeah, I can. So I just drag and drop that from my actual folder. And then I'm going to turn on my background again to make sure. Now that went below my background, so what I'm going to do is drag it above it. There we go. And then I can go like that. And then I can go like, click this and make it bigger. And then I can rotate it. Whatever you want to do. You can swap out everything you want with these images. So it gives you an awesome base to work with. I can make that bigger or smaller. Or maybe I don't want it touching over there, so I can go like that. I can go like that. And then I could change these colors too if I want, so I just click off there. And then say I want happy to be a different color, so I just go here. And I can maybe make that, I don't know, green. And it didn't change color, so I gotta go to text. And it's right here, up in the top. So then I go, okay, I want that one like red. Or maybe a darker red. And then what I can do is just copy this color. Then I can go to this one. I can say this particular piece. Click it. And it's the hex code there. And that may be this guy too. So let's click off. Whenever you want to click off, just click on this. And I can go to this heart. And now here I can go to blending options, color overlay. And then I click it. And then I just paste in the same. Oops. Okay. Okay. So what I did is I just created a brand new one, and now maybe this one too, right? This little ornamental piece right here. I want to change that color, so I'll go here. Blending options. Maybe I want it all red. So I can go with that. There. So you can see I just took a template and I made another template very easily out of it. So this is what you can do with these in order to make multiple designs and multiple quotes with my templates. Now with the club, you actually get a whole bunch of these. So you're getting 5 necklaces and you're getting 5 message cards, and you can change out anything you want on these. So basically what I'm doing is taking all the heavy lifting away from you. So it's very easy to edit this. Photopea is free, so it's super easy to use. And then if I want to save this, I'll just go like this. And I'll save this file, save as PSD. It'll save down here to my computer. File, export as PNG. It'll save to my computer. Now this one, 218.png, that's this one that I can then upload to Shine On if I wanted. So I've got Shine On, Gear Bubble, and then I've got message cards which can be used on either one as well. If you want to see one of those, let's go very quickly. Here's one. So happy birthday, can't believe how old you're getting, love ya. Here's another one. Here's another one. Here's another one. Here's another one. So again, all of these, so design 4, say I want to edit that. Well, I'm just going to take the source file and I'm going to open this in Photopea. So I'll drag this over here. I'll go File, Open, and let's go to here. Let's go to Message Cards. Let's go to Design 4 PSD. There we go. So everything in here, you can see on the right, it's kind of closed. So hit this side thing, side arrow. And now say I want to turn off this flower in the top. There you go. Say I want to change, I can't believe how old you're getting, love ya. Well, I go to the text part and I click on this, and now I can type anything I want. So in here, I'll put, again, I could do the same thing, right? You don't look a day over. And then enter. So maybe I'm like, nah, I don't like that. So let's hit that. Let's go end. There. I could just switch out that quote alone. Or maybe I don't like these balloons. So I'm like, well, I don't like those. Let's get rid of those. And maybe I want to make this wider. So I might go here to the move tool. And then I'll hold down shift and I'll drag it over. And then I'll just put it like that and like that. And then, of course, the necklace will be up there. And this love you one, too. Maybe I want to move that. So I'll just click off, click here. I want to drag that into the center. There. So I just created a brand new one. And I just turned off some elements I didn't want to use and turned on some I did. Maybe I don't want the flowers at all. So I'll go, well, let's just take off all those flowers. There. And maybe I want this happy birthday part to be a little bit bigger. So that is right up here. And click this element. If I can get it. Yeah, here it is. So now I can say, well, let's make this a little bigger. There we go. So now I've got a simple card with a nice background that I can use. So there really is a ton of flexibility with these with the message cards and the necklaces, and it's super, super simple. So again, I would just go File, Save as PSD, right? So it's down here, and I go File, Export as PNG. And now I've got my file ready for Gear Bubble message cards or Shine On message cards all ready to go. That's a simple way you do it. I hope that helped. If you have any questions, let me know. If the Temple Club's open, go ahead and join it. If it's not, get on that waiting list. We open up basically once a month for new members. So these cost me, at the time of shooting this video, like over $350 to put all this package together. And you basically get it for $50 a month. So super cheap, 10 new designs in your inbox on the first of every month. It's an awesome deal. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.